Muffin pizzas. The ingredients you will need are English muffins. You can also use bagels or even bread if you'd like. We have pizza sauce here. We have shredded pizza blend of cheeses. You can shred your own cheese, which I usually prefer to do because it's cheaper and the cheese melts a little bit easier. Or you can also buy a package of pre-shredded cheese, which is what we did today. And then your favorite pizza toppings. Today we're using Kaiden's favorite, pepperoni. All right, so you're going to start with your English muffin. We're going to pull it in half. I'll go ahead and do that for Kaiden. Super easy. All right, next we're going to put a little bit of sauce. You don't want to put too much because you don't want it to get all soggy. Go ahead and spread it out. All right, good job. And we're going to add our cheese. At this point, you can put your toppings first and then your cheese, or your cheese then your toppings. It's totally up to you. And we're gonna finish off with our pepperoni.
Now up.
You can do a couple more. These are really fun because you can personalize it. And then all right, so we're going to now put our English muffin pizzas onto our pan, our cookie sheet. And we're going to stick this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes at 375 degrees. All right, our pizzas are done when the cheese is melted and the English muffin is just a little bit crispy. Make sure you wait a few minutes to let it cool off before you eat it so the sauce doesn't burn your mouth. How is it? 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up? And we hope you guys enjoy your English muffin pizzas. Make sure to check back in on our virtual rec center and try all the fun activities and recipes we have planned for you. Enjoy!